subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will discuss about supervised machine learning models. Different types of machine learning models we already discussed in our second class. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and come back here. So coming to different types of machine learning models, we are having supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement machine learning models. Generally, what's a machine learning model will do? So what's a machine learning model will do is an ML model will take data as input and this model will generate a function. It will generate a function as a output. That is what a machine learning model will do. So let's take a data set here, housing price prediction data set. In this data set we are having a location, number of bedrooms, size of the house. Based on these values it was given the cost of the house, in which location it is, how many bedrooms this house is having and the size of the house. All these factors it is given that the cost of the house. So in this data set we are having input, which features comes under input, location, number of bedrooms and size of the house is taken as input, and output means the cost of the house. The machine learning models that are developed in analyzing this type of data sets, we call it as supervised machine learning models. What type of data sets? It is having input and output. In machine learning terms, input we call it as features, output we call it as label. Okay, so why we call it as supervised machine learning models? So what happened here is the label means output part. In our machine learning models, the label will supervise this machine learning model in generating this function. We already discussed our first basic machine learning model. What's that machine learning model is? A linear regression model. Go back and check the mathematics, what we solved in that model. In that model, we used this label part. We used this label part in the mathematics. The label part is helping in our machine learning model in identifying this best function. Means our label part is supervising our machine learning models in finding the best function. That's why we call it as supervised machine learning models. Okay, then in supervised machine learning models we are having classification models and regression models. So coming to this model, housing price prediction data set, what we are having: location, number of bedrooms and size of the house. Based on this input it was given the output, cost of the house. The cost of the house may be any value: 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 500 lakhs. There is no limit to this value. Based on your housing cost, location and size of the house, the cost is decided. The machine learning models that are designed to solve this output type of problems. What's this output is? There is no limit. Any real value you can have. This type of outputs is called as regression models. So coming to classification models. Classification models, take this example, cancer prediction data set. Test 1, they are taking 2 tests. These tests are taken as input and the output is 1. 1 means the patient is having cancer. 0 means the patient is not having cancer. Here what's the output is? It may be 1, it may be 0. Only 2 values, a set of values. If your output is only a set of values, then those comes under classification problem. In that set, in the output set, if you are having only 2 values, we call it as binary classification. Above 2 values we call it as multi-class classification. Above 2 values we call it as multi-class classification. Let's take an example of multi-class classification. Nowadays we are getting automatic bike numbers detection systems. Near our traffic signals we are having some cameras and the cameras are capturing our images and they are automatically detecting our bike numbers. So how many different numbers you'll have? 0, 1, 2, so on up to 9. So total how many numbers? 10 different types of numbers you have to identify. So it is called it as to identify the 10 different type of numbers, means output it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 5, it may be 6, it may be 9, it may be 0, total 10 different classes. We call it as 10 class classification. About 2 we call it as multi-class classification. Okay, and from now onwards 5 to 6 classes we will discuss about different concepts required for understanding supervised machine learning models. Then we will start discussing our supervised machine learning models one by one. So hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.